SciTech. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a phone charger and make it a pocket-sized portable phone charger. Let's get started. This can be powered by a 9-volt battery, where this part's positive and this part is negative. And you can connect these two terminals by putting the positive and the negative wire, touches on the side, and there, it charges. But let's go make that a little bit more easy without having to go through using that wire. So we go ahead and we take it apart just like this. So now what I need to do is I need to modify the housing that this car phone charger was in. There we go, and here's my 9-volt battery. This battery is actually dead, so I want this connector part out. I want to take this connector part off. So I go and I pry off the sides. And just rip it open just like that. Alright, disconnect the connections, and here is the top piece that I need. Remove the paper. And there. As you can see, it connects just like that. Now I'm going to solder a positive wire to the positive connection. I'm going to remove this piece because it's too big and bulky. Solder a wire to the negative terminal. And now go ahead and put some solder on this connector and connect the negative wire. And now solder the positive wire to the other connector. There we go. Now I'm going to go and put it back inside of its modified housing, just like that. Secure everything with the hot glue. There we go, everything is now secured into place. Now I'm going to use some of this electrical tape just to make it look a little bit nicer and more organized. Now it is ready to use. So now I have my cable. Plug it into my phone. Plug the battery into the charger. And there you can see the LED turns on, which means it's connected and it works. Now let's see by connecting the cable in there to see how well it works. Perfect, it's charging. And that's how you make yourself a simple, pocket-sized phone charger. All you have to do is carry the charger and 9-volt battery with you all the time, and you can always charge your phone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you learned something new. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more SciTech videos. Thank you for watching SciTech. Till the next tech, goodbye.